So we're going to do a little bit of sandblasting today. So did try it out a little bit. So what I'm going to do is blast back one of the gills, and so I've got the air compressor turned off at the moment. But it's just a sort of sandblasting kit. So you whack it in there, and then you look through this sort of shield, which is not so good to see through, and you blast the crap out of it. So let's have a bit of a go and then see how it looks after a little while. Yeah, we're sort of roughing out the first pass, seemed to work quite well. Got most of the paint off. The compressors. Oh, right, yeah, okay. I need to readjust where my pickup is coming from because it seems to have sucked everything out of there and dropped everything around there. So I will get that sorted out and get back to blasting. Yeah, had a pretty good second pass at it, and get a little bit of sand down there, buffed it up. It's getting pretty close to being etched. A few more little things to go, but what I was thinking was I might have a bit of a try for shits and giggles at blasting this, and see how my go comes up after a bit of treatment, because it's pretty it's rusty, but I'm gonna coat this in the rock coat top stuff. So let's see how we go. It does fit in, so into my blasting cabinet, which is happy days. Can't really see too much. Yeah, if you cover it up, yeah, you can see through the shield with the video, but all it is just blasting stuff, so not too interesting. So let's start on the section and see how we go. It looks like after putting the rust treatment on it, it's decided to convert. That's interesting. Turn it over to the other side. That's pretty much how it looked before we put the rust treatment on it. So let's do the other side and see how we go. So for this, I'm just using the generic super cheap sort of rust converter stuff. So pour a bit in there, grab your brush, flop it around. And that will pretty much what I did on the other side. That should hopefully get a lot of this rust, even though this is being sandblasted. What I want to do, sort of sand it as well. What I do want to do with this part is make sure it's rust free, and then I can put the etch on it. And after that, this rock chip stone guard stuff on it. So just give this a nice bit of coating. Cool. Yeah, there we go. So anyway, let's leave that for a night. See how we end up. Hopefully nice and black like the other side. Cool, there we go. The other thing we can look at is the gill. So I sandblasted this last night, and it's got most of it off, but what I might do is jump on with the old trusty and get rid of the last little bits of this. So So you get the idea. What I might do is just clean the rest of this up, and then I can hopefully put this into primer. Wedge primer anyway, this evening. I'll just finish the rest of that up now. So what we've got here now is pretty much all of the painty stuff removed. So we just need to wax and grease remove, and then we can give it a bit of spray. I might just set up something else. That makes it a bit easier. Not much is left in that one, but let's just give it a wax and grease. After this is primed, I might show you what it started off life looking like. So this is just etch primer. It's not a final primer or anything like that. It's just to give it a coat and look at what we're working with. Need to be perfect. Need to make sure you get a lot of the junk off there. You don't want that to be trapped into your final paint job. So anyway, that's pretty much going to do it. I'll grab that over the can. It's looking pretty light on. Feeling pretty light on. Yeah, it's pretty empty. Yeah, it's pretty empty. What do you know? He's gonna just give us what we want. I think we're last little burst. That's going to give us what we want. Got a couple of bits of junk in there. That's fine, just etch primer. So we can let that dry now. So pretty much what it used to look like. I'll bring that around because I don't want to. That's what it did look like. And now I've got a nice etch primed sort of gills. I can go back and live to fight another day. So another part of getting stuff done.